Alright guys, RealCobraburnout just did a pocket thumb video. I just saw Ebomi's also. So me and Ebomi got tagged in it. So right off the bat, I'm tagging Stephen Bush and Pre-Dawn Death. Let's see what you guys got right now. I'll show you what I have. Back pocket. Flashlight. Let's see. On my side, have my Leatherman. Spare magazine. This sure ain't no light pocket thumb, that's for sure. My house keys, my car key. This pocket I have my Benchmade knife, my lighter, a wallet. That's it for that. I normally have my phone on me, but I'm recording on it, so it's the LG V60. Oh, and the most important part, my Walter PPS with a Veta holster. And, oh yeah, I also forgot my Invicta watch. Well, I'm still dressed up as work, so I got my work watch on. So, like I said, that's what I got. Stephen Bush, Pre-Dawn Death, you guys are up next.